Mencius, 372 to 289 BCE, whose name was Mencius Ku and courtesy name was Ziyu, was from the state of Zhou, formerly known as the state of Zhou, now Zhou County, Shandong Province, China. His family belonged to the aristocracy, but by his father's generation, they had fallen into decline. He benefited from prenatal education, taught by his mother from the time she was pregnant, which fostered a strong desire to learn and quick intellectual development. Below are 5 of his classic sayings. 1. When in distress, focus on self-improvement. When successful, contribute to the betterment of the world. Life is a journey marked by fluctuating phases of distress and success, and how one navigates these phases can significantly influence both personal fulfillment and societal well-being. The adage, when in distress, focus on self-improvement, when successful, contribute to the betterment of the world, encapsulates a pragmatic and altruistic philosophy for handling life's inevitable ups and downs. This statement suggests a balanced and dynamic approach to life, advocating for personal growth during challenging times and societal contributions during periods of prosperity. During times of distress, the emphasis is on self-improvement. This approach encourages individuals to channel their energy towards personal growth rather than being overwhelmed by external problems. Focusing on self-improvement in distressing times can be a productive coping mechanism, allowing individuals to develop resilience, enhance their skills, and build emotional strength. By working on oneself, a person can better navigate current difficulties and be better prepared for future challenges. This focus on self-improvement fosters a sense of control and empowerment, helping individuals overcome adversity and emerge stronger. In contrast, when one achieves success, the focus should shift from oneself to others. This perspective underscores a sense of responsibility to utilize one's success and resources for the greater good. The idea is that personal success is not merely for individual gain but should be leveraged to help others and improve the world. Contributing to the betterment of society can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose, adding depth to one's achievements. Altruism and community engagement during prosperous times can create a positive impact, fostering a better community and environment for everyone. This philosophy promotes a balanced and holistic approach to life. It recognizes that different circumstances necessitate different focuses, self-care and improvement during tough times, and community and societal contributions during prosperous times. By dynamically adjusting one's focus based on the current phase of life, individuals can achieve personal growth while also contributing to the welfare of others. This approach emphasizes that personal development and societal contributions are interconnected and both essential for a fulfilling life. The adage offers a thoughtful guide for navigating the complexities of life. It advocates for a proactive approach to personal growth during periods of distress and a generous, community-oriented mindset during times of success. By embracing this balanced approach, individuals can not only enhance their own lives but also make meaningful contributions to society, creating a ripple effect of positive change. This dynamic focus fosters both personal fulfillment and societal well-being, ultimately leading to a more compassionate and resilient world. 2. Neither wealth nor status can corrupt, poverty cannot lead astray, and power cannot subdue. The statement, neither wealth nor status can corrupt, poverty cannot lead astray, and power cannot subdue, presents a perspective on the inherent integrity and resilience of individuals, regardless of their external circumstances. It suggests that true integrity cannot be corrupted by wealth or status, meaning that a person of strong moral character remains principled and ethical regardless of their material possessions or social standing. This emphasizes that those who are morally grounded do not let the allure of wealth or the prestige of status compromise their values, maintaining a steadfast ethical compass, unswayed by greed or vanity. Furthermore, the assertion that poverty does not lead an individual astray implies that financial hardship does not compromise a person's moral integrity or sense of direction. It highlights the resilience of those with a strong sense of self and purpose, who can navigate through poverty without losing their way. Their character and determination help them remain focused and principled despite economic challenges, demonstrating inner strength in the face of adversity. The claim that true power lies in the ability to remain unbowed and unsubdued by external forces underscores that individuals with strong inner will and integrity cannot be controlled or overpowered, even by those who wield significant authority. This points to the idea that real strength comes from within, allowing those who possess it to maintain their independence and autonomy, unswayed by power dynamics around them. Overall, the statement advocates for the supremacy of inner integrity and strength over external circumstances. It suggests that true character is unshakable and cannot be influenced by wealth, poverty, or power, promoting the idea that individuals have the capacity to remain true to themselves and their values, no matter what external pressures they face. This perspective champions the resilience of the human spirit and the importance of maintaining one's moral compass in navigating life's challenges. 3. A gentleman does not resent heaven nor blame others. The statement, "A gentleman does not resent heaven nor blame others," reflects a philosophy of personal responsibility, resilience, and acceptance, often associated with ideals of virtue and wisdom. A gentleman, traditionally seen as someone embodying virtues such as integrity, humility, and respect, is suggested here to possess a particular mindset towards life's challenges and injustices. Not resenting heaven implies an acceptance of one's fate or the circumstances beyond one's control, indicating a belief in a higher order or natural law and an acceptance of life's events, whether favorable or unfavorable. This aspect underscores a spiritual or emotional maturity, where one does not harbor bitterness or anger towards the universe or divine forces for personal misfortunes. Furthermore, a key component of this statement is the emphasis on personal responsibility. A gentleman does not blame others for his problems or failures, reflecting an understanding that one's actions and choices play a significant role in shaping one's life. By not blaming others, the gentleman focuses on constructive solutions and self-improvement rather than engaging in unproductive blame-shifting, fostering resilience and proactive behavior. The statement aligns with Stoic philosophy, advocating for maintaining equanimity in the face of adversity and focusing on what one can control, promoting inner strength and peace by accepting what cannot be changed and taking responsibility for one's actions. Overall, the statement highlights the importance of virtue and character in navigating life's challenges. A gentleman, by embodying these qualities, demonstrates a balanced and wise approach to life, emphasizing integrity, accountability, and acceptance. It promotes a mindset of personal responsibility, acceptance of fate, and emotional resilience, suggesting that a true gentleman embodies virtues that enable him to navigate life's challenges without harboring resentment towards uncontrollable forces or shifting blame onto others. This philosophy advocates for a balanced, mature, and constructive approach to life, highlighting the importance of integrity and inner strength. 4. Those who are self-destructive cannot be reasoned with, those who abandon themselves cannot be helped. The statement, "Those who are self-destructive cannot be reasoned with, those who abandon themselves cannot be helped," conveys a perspective on the limitations of reasoning and helping individuals who engage in self-destructive behavior or who have given up on themselves. It implies that self-destructive individuals are beyond the reach of reason, as their behavior often stems from deep-seated emotional or psychological issues leading to actions not guided by rational thinking. Such individuals might resist logic, advice, or intervention from others, as their actions are driven by internal turmoil or compulsion, making rational discussions ineffective. For those trying to help, this suggests that conventional methods of reasoning or persuasion may not work, and more intensive or specialized interventions might be required. To abandon oneself means to give up on one's potential, worth, or future, which could manifest as a lack of self-care, self-respect, or motivation to improve one's situation. The statement asserts that such individuals cannot be helped, implying that external assistance is futile if the individual has lost the will to help themselves. Effective help requires the person's own engagement and effort, highlighting the importance of self-initiative. While external support can provide resources and guidance, the individual's own determination and effort are crucial for meaningful change. Both parts of the statement emphasize the limitations of external influence on individuals who are either self-destructive or have given up on themselves. It suggests that change must come from within, and without a personal desire for change, external efforts might be ineffective. For those who wish to help, this perspective highlights the challenges and potential frustrations, underscoring the need for patience, understanding, and possibly different strategies to reach and support these individuals. The statement underscores the importance of personal responsibility and agency in overcoming difficulties, suggesting that individuals must take an active role in their own recovery and improvement. For those trying to assist, it advises realistic expectations and the understanding that not everyone can be reached through reason or help. It calls for compassion, but also a recognition of the limitations of one's influence. The statement highlights the challenges in assisting individuals who engage in self-destructive behaviors or who have given up on themselves, emphasizing the importance of personal responsibility and the internal desire for change. Without these, external efforts to reason with or help such individuals may be ineffective, calling for a realistic approach to helping others and recognizing the critical role of personal agency. 5. Fortune and misfortune are not sought from others but from oneself. The statement, "Fortune and misfortune are not sought from others but from oneself," emphasizes the idea that an individual's circumstances, whether positive or negative, are primarily the result of their own actions, decisions, and attitudes, rather than external factors or the influence of others. This perspective highlights the importance of personal responsibility and self-agency in shaping one's life. It suggests that individuals hold significant control over their own destinies through their choices and behaviors, advocating for accountability and self-reliance. By reflecting the concept of an internal locus of control, the statement underscores that individuals should attribute their successes and failures to their own efforts rather than external sources. This mindset encourages proactive behavior, as individuals are motivated to work towards their goals, make informed decisions, and learn from their experiences to create positive outcomes. It promotes self-awareness and growth by urging people to evaluate their own actions and decisions as the primary factors influencing their fortunes or misfortunes. The statement aligns with Stoic philosophy, which teaches that individuals should focus on what is within their control and accept what is not. By concentrating on their own actions and attitudes, individuals can find contentment and resilience despite external circumstances. It also implies a moral responsibility to act ethically and wisely, understanding that one's actions have consequences that shape their life. This perspective fosters integrity and conscientiousness, promoting a sense of empowerment and motivation. By recognizing that fortune and misfortune stem from oneself, the statement empowers individuals by reinforcing their ability to influence their own lives. This shift in focus from blaming others or circumstances to taking constructive action can be highly motivating. It also contributes to greater resilience, as individuals learn to adapt and overcome challenges by acknowledging their power to affect their outcomes. Ultimately, the statement encourages a proactive, responsible, and self-determined approach to life, aligning with philosophical teachings that advocate for focusing on personal control and accepting responsibility for one's own path, thereby promoting empowerment, personal growth, and resilience.